Mildred Thomas, one of a few women in real estate in this area, started Thomas Real Estate in a one-room office, and that's where our tradition began. Fast forward, and our exceptional team of over 50 real estate associates and nearly 100 employees carry on our commitment and core values by providing outstanding service and exceptional care. Partnership. It's difficult to go the rental road alone. With Thomas Beach Vacations, you will have a personal partner and consistent future point of contact in your owner services representative. He or she who works with you to strategically define your rental plan, post your rental online, and get the bookings rolling in. Sounds nice, doesn't it? We know that's your sensitive point. It's ours too, and our mission. Many of our licensed team members are lifelong residents of this area, so they know the competition, the prospective guests, and what sells in this community. You've made a big investment. We believe your investment deserves the same TLC we would give our own. Please take just a few minutes to watch this short video series. It has two purposes. One, provide a brief overview of how your owner management program can benefit you. Two, and most importantly, confirm that you obtain real results from these benefits.